Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the latest smartphone from Honor, the X8A. This phone is packed with features and specs that are sure to impress. So let's dive in and see what it has to offer. Starting with the design, the Honor X8 has a sleek and modern look which is similar to iPhone with flat edges, even the camera design. It has a plastic frame and plastic back as well. It has a nice grip in the hand and lightweight. It weighs 179 grams only. The phone features a large 6.7-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels and supports 90 Hz refresh rate. The display is bright, vivid, and has good viewing angles. Moving on to the camera, the Honor X8A has a triple camera setup on the back consisting of a 108-megapixel primary sensor with f1.9 aperture, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The camera produces sharp and detailed images with good color reproduction. The phone also has a 16-megapixel front-facing camera with f2.5 aperture, which takes great selfies, and it's perfect for video calling. Under the hood, the Honor X8 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G88, a 12nm chipset, and comes with 8GB of RAM and 128 of internal storage. Android 12 out of the box with Magic UI 6.1 skin. The phone is snappy and responsive and handles multitasking with ease. In terms of gaming performance, I will create a separate video for this device, so stay tuned and consider subscribing so you cannot miss my gaming review. The Honor X8 comes with a large 4500 mAh battery which provides all-day battery life. The phone also supports fast charging of 22.5 watts and can be charged up to 50% in just 30 minutes as advertised. Other features of the Honor X8A include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, 4G connectivity, loudspeaker, USB Type-C port with dual SIM card, but unfortunately no SD card slot. Overall guys, the Honor X8 is a great phone that ticks all the boxes when it comes to features and performance. It has a great camera, a beautiful display, long battery life, and fast charging. The phone also has a good look and feel and is sure to turn heads. If you're in the market for a new phone, the Honor X8 is definitely worth considering with the price of 899 dirham here in Dubai or 12,500 pesos in the Philippines. So guys, what do you think of this latest Honor X8A? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time.